So we don't want that society should be divided on the basis of personal liking and disliking, and only one institution personal liking and disliking. So I think Pakistan should promote and strengthen the judiciary, not actually establishing the military force. Now the session is open for everybody, anybody who can like to comment or say something or questions. So it is allowed. Oh, your voice is so.
According to a lot of speakers, the main culprit of this terrorism is the West, USA, NATO, because when you need terrorist actions against your enemies, you are creating them, like Osama bin Laden and other people, IS, in what they are doing in Syria and Iraq. They are killing it, not humanity. But when they are against you, then you are going to kill them and you are starting a war against them. One question. And second is related to this, that people who are glorifying this terrorism, glorify jihad, other things, then they are saying this is West who are creating us, and they don't even make an excuse of this terrorism. How can we stop this? That West, they don't make a terrorist, they don't make a, when they have an interest, send armies to Iraq, and if somebody, you was saying that Kashmir is far away, and we are here related in Europe, but Iraq was far away. You gone there, you enter there, you kill the people as a NATO, as other people. And you see, Syria was far away, Afghanistan was far away, but you people gone there. Please, this was the question. How can you change the policies of NATO, of USA, of Western countries, that they stand up against this terrorist, don't create a terrorist bogies? Thank you very much.
Die Stabilisierung der Region hat schon zu Sowjetzeiten begonnen. Die Sowjets haben Afghanistan okkupiert und daraufhin haben westliche Mächte natürlich auch sich Verbündete gesucht, und diese Verbündete, bei denen hat man nicht geschaut, welche Ideologie vertreten sie, sind das Terroristen, sind das keine Terroristen. Und wir haben heute nach wie vor Stellvertreterkriege. Das, was in Syrien passiert, das, was in Irak passiert, sind selbstverständlich Stellvertreterkriege, wo, sage ich jetzt mal, durch den sogenannten arabischen Frühling die ganze Region eine andere Form bekommen hat. Die Interessen Russlands waren schnell gefährdet. Das heißt, Russland hat dort immer mehr an Einfluss verloren, und es haben auch regionale Mächte eine sehr wichtige Rolle gespielt. In Irak spielt die Türkei, in Irak und in Syrien spielt die Türkei eine sehr wesentliche Rolle. Auch Saudi-Arabien spielt eine sehr wesentliche Rolle. Es ist nicht nur eine Frage, ob der Westen das macht, sondern in der Region gibt es selber zwischen unterschiedlichen Strömungen des Islam auch unterschiedliche Auseinandersetzungen. Während Tayyip Erdogan den sunnitischen Islam vertritt gegen den Assad, sage ich jetzt einmal, der den alawitischen Islam vertritt, und Iran eine wichtige Rolle spielt, ja, gibt es in der Region keine Stabilisierung. Ich war am 8. August in Erbil, in Kurdistan, mit einem dem österreichischen Abgeordneten, den grünen Abgeordneten Michel Raimond, weil wir uns ansehen wollten, wie geht es dort den Menschen, den Esidis, den Kurden, den anderen Oppositionellen, und wie IS Erbil angreifen wollte, haben wir dort die Stimmung 1:1 gespürt. Vienna dann zu bombardieren begonnen haben, waren die Leute dort total erleichtert. Ich war auch erleichtert, weil ich habe ja IS im Nacken gespürt. Die waren 20 Kilometer von uns entfernt. Sie hatten sehr schwere Waffen in der Hand. Diese schweren Waffen waren natürlich zum Teil vom Westen geliefert. Auch die Pickups, die fahren, ja, die sind auch vom Westen und von Japan geliefert. Und die IS und andere Leute haben ja nach wie vor in die Außenwelt Kontakte, weil sie auch ihr Erdöl verkaufen müssen. Und dieses Erdöl wird von vielen Ländern abgenommen. Aber es gibt auch einen Punkt, wo die gesamte Region sich fragen muss, welche Schuld trage ich dazu bei? Was ist meine Rolle? Haben wir einen gemeinsamen Nenner? Können wir überhaupt von einem gemeinsamen Feind Westen sprechen? Inwiefern sind wir selber mit Westen verwickelt? Wenn heute Koalitionskräfte, Saudi-Arabien, Katar und alle anderen Kräfte mit den USA in einem Boot sitzen, dann gibt es dort gemeinsame Interessen. Also so können wir nicht ganz einfach unterscheiden. Früher hat man das ganz leicht gemacht, in der Urkolonialzeit, aber auch in der Kolonialzeit, wo noch die ganze Region eine andere Struktur gehabt hat. Aber in einer multipolaren Weltordnung sind neue Akteure ins Spiel gekommen. Regionale Mächte. Ich unterstreiche nochmal, die Türkei ist eine regionale Macht. Sie investiert in Afrika, sie sucht sich neue Satelliten wieder. Auch Iran ist eine regionale Macht. Also müssen wir schauen, wie diese Region eine andere Form bekommen kann. Und natürlich, selbstverständlich, Westen dafür kritisieren, dass sie sich mit den reaktionärsten Kräften dort verbünden. François Hollande hat selber zugegeben, ja, wir haben die Oppositionellen in Syrien gegen Assad unterstützt. Wer waren diese Oppositionellen? Das war Al-Nusra, das waren alle anderen Couleurs, die jetzt rund um IS sich versammelt haben. Diese Zusammenhänge gibt es. Es gibt diese Zusammenhänge, aber wir müssen auch analysieren, welche Rolle die oppositionellen Kräfte dort spielen, ob sie einen gemeinsamen Nenner für Menschenrechte, für Demokratie, für eine fortschrittliche Gesellschaftsform entwickeln können. Das ist die zukünftige Frage. Und wir als Grüne hier im österreichischen Parlament, ja, sind derzeit in der Opposition. Wir sind in der Opposition und wir setzen uns mit der gesamten Welt auseinander. Irak, Syrien und so habe ich erzählt. Armenier kommen, es kommen Kosovoaren, es kommen die Entwicklungen in Lateinamerika. Ich gebe nur das Beispiel der verschwundenen Studentinnen in Mexiko, wo die Regierung diese Frage noch nicht gelöst hat. Und es gibt so viele Konfliktsituationen, wir möchten diese Situationen aufgreifen und auch etwas tun. Auch in der Ukraine-Frage möchten wir etwas tun. Nur stellen wir nicht den Außenminister. Derzeit kämpfen wir für die Freilassung von Blogger Barack muss er heißen. Wir machen jeden Freitag eine Aktion vor dem König Abdullah-Zentrum am Schottenring, damit der Blogger freigelassen wird, damit er nicht gefoltert wird. Das heißt, unser Interesse ist groß. Ich kenne Naim gut, wir werden hier in Kontakt stehen, nehme ich an, und wir werden auch diese Brücke weiterhin pflegen. Menschenrechte, Menschenrechtsverletzungen überall auf der Welt gehen uns an. Ich freue mich, dass es hier Menschen gibt, die sich explizit für Kaschmir und für die Region interessieren. Das ist für uns eine Quelle, die wir gerne aufgreifen, und wir werden schauen, dass wir das Beste daraus machen.
Thank you very much. Basically, don't disturb the
I say thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, we have to go now.
Jammu Kashmir People's Alliance, Vienna, on 13th January 2000, was unanimously declared that terrorism, religious intolerance and extremism are major threats to peace and fundamental human rights of people. Therefore, terrorism, religious intolerance, and extremism must be opposed by all governments, political and civil society organizations. The conference further declares that all civilized countries must take stand action against those countries that use terrorism and extremism as foreign policy weapon to advance their agenda. And we feel the government of Pakistan is among those governments which have deliberate and consistently supported terrorism and extremism. That has resulted in death of tens of thousands of innocent people, especially in the state of Jammu Kashmir and Pakistan itself. This conference requests the international community to apply pressure to stop its dubious policies of good terrorists and bad terrorists, and let people of the Jammu Kashmir and the region live in a peace. The conference also strongly protests against government for introducing military courts and Pakistan protection ordinance in areas of state of Jammu and Kashmir that do not actually legally belong to Pakistan. We fear, and even in the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 section 275, Kashmir is a disputed territory. Pakistan declared that it is not our part, but how they can establish military courts. So the conference strongly protests against Pakistani government of introducing military courts and protection ordinance in area of state of Jammu and Kashmir that do not legally belong to Pakistan. We fear that the law enforcing authorities will use the protection ordinance and military courts against innocent people of Pakistani Kashmir and Pakistan who struggle for their fundamental human rights. In the region, and we also actually I add some we should also ask government of India not settle those West Pakistani refugees in Kashmir and violate the state subject role, because state subject role actually for those peoples who are not originally from Kashmir have not a state subject, they cannot actually settle in Kashmir according to the state subject rule. So we urge upon India also to honor to the state subject in their own held portion of Kashmir. Thank you.
I have a question.
Yes,
Hello everyone, this is me Jahangir. I would like to ask you, our honorable guest. Everybody knows we are the Kashmiri people. We are facing last 6 decades in violence and injustice. And my question is, like, why we are ignored by international community and international media? Everybody knows we are Kashmiri people. We want freedom. And I think so. Sometimes I'm thinking we are the Kashmiri people. We are not part of this world because we are not getting attention from international community and international media. The next question, like, we are the Kashmiri people. We are living in Europe or Canada, America. What we should do collectively to raise our voice on international level, like in a practical way, to raise our voice for freedom of Kashmir. Thank you very much.
Actually avoiding us. We are very much in the national agenda. You are in parliament. You are still here. If you lack of knowledge, it is not the fault of European community or international community. European Parliament in 2007 passed a resolution in favor of Kashmir and asked the government of India, government of Pakistan, and even China to respect the integrity of the state and to address the immediate issues of the Kashmiri people which they are facing respective governments administrations. So we are in United Nations Human Rights Council Forum. We are there. We are very much asking world community and international human rights organization which have the ECOSOC status. They listen us, they accredit us, and we are there. So world community is very much aware and very much in touch with our inspiration. But the governments have some special interest with the governments. So, every European country have the relationship with Pakistan, relationship with India, relationship with China, and they are not for only Kashmiris to boycott Pakistan, to boycott India, to boycott China. No, this is not. We are living in 21st century. Or they are actually asking Pakistan. European Union hold 590 member of the parliament, European Parliament, passed the resolution in favor of Kashmir and asked all the parliament. Only 9 members was abstained, and one member parliament who was from actually Pakistani origin, he opposed that resolution which addressed over immediate issues. This is the story. So please read the newspaper, local newspaper. Everything is published in the newspapers. And we also, being a Kashmiri, we also actually maintain accountability and transparency on our own self. But we are doing. Sometimes we are the tool of Muslim conference, sometimes we are with People's Party, sometimes we are JKIPA, sometimes we are this and sometimes we are that. So try to build a consensus on issues, not politics, issues on issues. But Kashmiri people is facing, and especially where from I or you, it is our primary responsibility to highlight those issues which our people, our voiceless people is facing. Thank you.
My question.
Yeah.
I want to know Jammu Kashmir with International People's Alliance. What about
Britain, unfortunately, is gone back. Here in Austria, I saw here in our masjid, for example, for a party, I am a party member, which is not Muslim, but every Pakistani masjid, mosque, if I go there, they said this guy is a Muslim, and you have to vote him. I am part of this party or not, but I am forced for that. I should have to give to vote for him. But now I saw what happened in France. As I said, he's gone, unfortunately. This question is not to you, actually. But why we give vote for these dead people and we're not listening, even not in media, not in parliament, they have no rights. This guy is also the guy, also, I told him also, right now. He's also not Muslim, but he said, I am born in this country, you can say I am a Muslim. Yeah, and my question was, and you as your party, you are absolutely right. I'm so sorry to say, as a Kashmiri, as is, maybe you might also with me. That's why I am scared to question to you. So I want to, as a Kashmiri, I ask you, can now to our voice, can we voice, Lord, I need freedom Kashmir, or I am a terrorist?
No, I don't think so. Any government declared you the terrorist. If it happened, then I think you did not find us. We are here and we are long times. Associated with the right movement. And
Do you think Indian army should go back to India or not?
And the Muslims, actually, it is not only the case with that, because one time, the Muslim was the favorite people for the West, and they established madrasas, they bring the mullahs for your prayer and everything. But now, when we are creating many problems in UK, and listen, our clerics, our scholars, but they are speaking in the mosque. They are asking, oh, this person is our enemy, this person is our enemy, this religion is our enemy, this religion. And you are promoting and preaching the common Muslims for hate. And we are living here. When we are talking about, oh, Yahud, Nasara, and everybody is over enemy. What are you looking here? Then go there and live their own society. So here we should make harmony. We should integrate in this society. We should learn the language. We should learn this culture and ultimately promote humanity. I think a person who has a private faith, nobody is harming them. In my experience, maybe you have a bad experience, and we should rightly protest if anybody who is not allow you the religious practice. We can ask, we can raise and do United Nations.
Chair, I want to just reply to my friend over there.
Yeah.
If you say that you want a right of self-determination, or you want freedom, or you want independence, no one is going to call you a terrorist. But if you spread terrorism, religious intolerance, and hatred, then yes, you are going to land in problems. Islam doesn't like that. And many countries, the laws of many countries, the all countries, do not allow that. If you ask that you want independence from India and from Pakistan, of course some territory under China, nobody will call you a terrorist.
Okay.
But if you break laws, Islam says wherever you are living, you are not supposed to break laws after that country. If you don't like the laws, move out. But when you are living there, you have to respect and honor the laws of that country. And if you don't break laws, nobody will call you a terrorist. I think that's
Thank you.
I want to add only one thing. In extremism, it is often said that the day will come when Islam will rule all the world and the Muslims will become supreme nation as a nation. Okay? And the educated Muslim young man, wittingly or unwittingly, getting into this battle. So, adding to your point, we have seen that even thousands of years old African tribal religions are there. Judaism is there, Christianity is there. Even in Abrahamic religions, Islam can, at the end, all the religions are there. Even Sikhism, which is the production of like 15th century. Before 15th century or 14th century, we could not see Sikh religion. But they are over there. We have to learn to live as a Muslim. If we are Muslims, practicing, not practicing, no problem. But we have to learn to live side by side in a peaceful coexistence. And we have to differentiate and we have to disassociate ourselves from those people who are spreading this notion that we will become supreme power once again and Islam will rule the whole world. So this is the root cause which I have understood from my interaction with different people in old Belgium and in other European countries. Thank you for your
And at the end of the prayer, they say, Allah you hear that, don't you? So we have to be very careful what we say. One country say,
Actually, we are from all the masjids. Here we are already 6 or 7 years. Vienna is a very little city. We are already basement overall.
For example, in Saudi Arabia, nobody is allowed. Many roads are closed for the non-Muslim. No, there are roads called kafir roads. They are not allowed to go there.
Well,
But we are allowed to practice our religion here.
Yes.
I want you to appreciate that.
Shia also not allowed to build their Imam Barga in Saudi Arabia as well.